Hello, friends. Today I am discussing an issue that concerns the improvement in our living conditions and governance in metropolitan areas where we reside, which is metropolitan perspective. A metropolitan perspective is a way of looking at problems, plans, and policies at the scale of a metropolitan area, the interconnected city, suburbs, and nearby towns that function as a single economic and social region. Instead of focusing only on a single municipality or neighborhood, it emphasizes cross jurisdictional relationships, regional systems, and collective outcomes. Key elements: scale and scope considers the entire metro region, labor market, commuting shed, housing market, infrastructure networks rather than individual political boundaries. Systems thinking treats transit, housing, economy, environment, land use, and social service as linked system with feedbacks. Governance and coordination recognizes multiple local governments, agencies, and private stakeholders and the need for regional coordination of governance mechanisms. Equity and inclusion examines how benefits and burdens, jobs, housing, affordability, pollution, amenities are distributed across neighborhoods and population. Competitive and sustainable development balances economic competitiveness with environmental sustainability and quality of life. Data-driven planning uses region-wide data, mobility, flows, labor markets, land availability, emissions to guide decisions. Why it matters? Many crucial issues, traffic congestion, housing, affordability, air quality, economic growth, operate at a metropolitan scale. City-only solutions often shift problems to surrounding areas or fail to optimize regional outcomes. Coordinated approaches can unlock efficiencies. Integrated transit regional housing strategies reduce duplication and better align infrastructure investments with where people live and work. Practical applications. Regional transportation planning, prioritizing transit corridors that serve cross-jurisdiction commutes. Affordable housing strategies that set targets across municipalities to avoid exclusionary outcomes. Economic development that clusters industries and workforce training across the metro. Environmental planning addressing widespread watershed, air quality, and green space across city-suburb boundaries. Governance innovations like metropolitan planning organizations, regional land use compacts, pooled funding, or special districts. Challenges. Political fragmentation and differing local priorities, unequal resources and power among municipalities, data gaps and difficulty in aligning regulations and incentives, public resistance for regional solutions seen as infringing on local control. How to adopt a metropolitan perspective. Map functional regions, commuting patterns, service areas. Collect and share regional data. Build institutions or agreements for cross-jurisdictional planning and funding.
हम लोग को छोटा लग देगा 2 पीस रख देगा इसके लिए
shared goals, housing targets, emissions reductions, and measurable indicators.
ठीक दिया है
Engage diverse stakeholders